Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making homemade whipped salad dressing. But before we get into the video, if you haven't shared, liked, and subscribed to my channel, do so now and let's get into the recipe. All right. Okay, so what you're going to need to do, I've got 2 egg yolks here that I have divided. And then to that, I'm going to add some salt and some powdered sugar. Okay, I'm going to add some lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to whip that up. And I'm going to get my emulsion blender. Just set that down in the bottom here. I'm going to pulse it a couple of times. And then I'm going to slowly start adding my oil. And I'm just using a light tasting olive oil. You just use whatever oil you like. Okay. Now you're not done yet. All right, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And this is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. So I'm going to add that in and I'm going to whisk that in. And we're going to set that aside. Now I'm going to bring you over here to the stove and we got a couple more steps to go. All right, in my little bowl here, I have cornstarch, I have garlic, and I have mustard. And I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of vinegar. And we're going to mix that up. Make a little slurry here. And I've got some water I'm getting to boil. You just want to mix this up to good, all right? While our water is boiling, we're just going to mix this really good. Okay, water is up to a boil, and we're just going to whisk this in. And that quick, it comes up to a pudding-like consistency. And smell that mustard. Okay, I'm gonna bring you back over here, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, I'm gonna temper this just a little, so we don't cook our eggs. Yeah, and you want to do this really slow and easy. That's good. Then I'm going to get my blender. We're going to blend it just a little bit more. Okay. And then you want to add just a little bit of paprika. Okay. All right. Pour this up in a mason jar. Okay, my friends, here you go. Homemade salad dressing. I hope you will give this a try. I sure will. Thanks for tuning in today. See you on the next video.